Have you ever wondered what separates a forgettable sales pitch from a game-changing presentation that seals the deal? In this video, we dive into the secrets of turning every sales opportunity into a resounding success. Missing out on this could mean the difference between just scraping by and drastically increasing your sales performance. Stay tuned as we unravel the techniques that top sellers use to master the art of persuasion and command every room they enter. Number 1. Mastering the art of persuasion. The power of full engagement. Diving into the sales world requires more than just knowledge. It requires a commitment to every interaction. A classic example of full engagement's power is seen in Apple's product launches. Steve Jobs' presentations were not just informative, but also highly engaging, ensuring that every minute spent on stage communicated value and excitement, convincing the audience that they weren't just buying a product, but becoming part of something revolutionary. This strategy not only showcased the products, but also built a loyal customer base that believed in the brand's vision. Jobs' ability to engage deeply with his audience set a new standard in corporate presentations, making every reveal a notable event. Number 2, the pitfalls of indecision in sales. Uncertainty in a sales pitch can lead to disastrous outcomes. A real-world example of this is seen in the tech industry, where startups often pitch to investors. Those founders who present their ideas with clarity and assertiveness are more likely to secure funding compared to those who show hesitancy or lack of commitment to their vision. Clear, decisive pitches demonstrate confidence in the product, convincing investors of its potential success. Startups that falter in their conviction often find their proposals scrutinized more harshly, suggesting that certainty itself can be as persuasive as the idea being pitched. Number 3. Understanding the audience's needs. To effectively meet the audience's needs, it's essential to conduct thorough market research, which involves gathering data about customer preferences, behaviors, and demographics. This information can guide the development of products or services that precisely meet the expectations and solve the specific problems of the target market. For example, a software company may use customer feedback to add features that users have requested, which not only improves the product, but also boosts customer satisfaction and loyalty. Additionally, understanding the audience enables businesses to craft personalized marketing messages that resonate more deeply, enhancing engagement and conversion rates. Number 4. Overcoming the aftermath of a sales disaster. Recovering from a failed sales pitch requires resilience and adaptability. Consider a real estate agent who fails to close deals because of poor presentation skills. By receiving constructive feedback, engaging in self-reflection, and undergoing professional training, they can turn their weak points into strengths, ensuring future presentations are more convincing and successful. This process of continual improvement is essential in the competitive field of sales, where each failure must be viewed as a stepping stone to future success. Number 5. Utilizing emotional intelligence in learning. Emotional intelligence plays a crucial role in learning from past sales experiences. A financial advisor who loses a major client due to a poorly handled objection might reflect on this emotionally charged experience to improve their objection handling skills. By recognizing emotional cues and responding appropriately, they can better manage similar situations in the future, turning potential losses into wins. This ability to learn and adapt not only enhances their professional skills, but also helps in developing deeper relationships with clients, which are critical for long-term success in any advisory capacity. Number 6. Committing fully. A proven path to sales success. Full commitment in sales can be illustrated by a luxury car salesperson's approach. Knowing the high value of their products, they focus on delivering an exceptional customer experience, from the initial greeting through the detailed presentation of features to the final negotiations, ensuring every step is conducted with the utmost precision and dedication. This deep dedication often translates into repeat business and referrals, which are crucial for sustaining long-term success in high-stakes sales environments. Moreover, by fully committing to each client interaction, the salesperson reinforces their brand's reputation for quality and reliability, setting a standard that competitors find hard to match. Number 7, delivering exceptional value. Delivering exceptional value goes beyond simply meeting customer expectations. It involves exceeding them in memorable ways. For instance, a company might include unexpected bonuses or personalized thank you notes with purchases, which can transform standard transactions into memorable experiences for customers. This strategy not only cultivates a loyal customer base, but also encourages positive word of mouth, expanding the company's reach and reputation. Furthermore, businesses that consistently deliver exceptional value are more likely to withstand market fluctuations and competitive pressures, maintaining a strong customer base through even challenging economic times. Number 8, the power of building goodwill. Building goodwill is crucial for long-term business sustainability. It involves engaging with the community, participating in charitable events, or providing excellent customer service that goes above and beyond. An example of building goodwill could be a restaurant that hosts monthly charity dinners to support local causes, which not only helps the community, but also enhances the restaurant's image and customer loyalty. Moreover, businesses that focus on goodwill are often rewarded with increased customer trust and preference, which can lead to greater market share and profitability. This strategic approach ensures that the company's image is associated with positive values and community service, reinforcing customer relationships. Number 9, strategic withdrawal of relational capital. When it's time to make a strategic withdrawal from the relational capital built up with the audience, it should be executed with precision and integrity. This means clearly communicating the value proposition and ensuring that the ask aligns with the audience's expectations and values. For instance, a tech company may offer a premium version of a popular app, ensuring that the new paid features significantly enhance user experience according to user demand. Additionally, when making an ask, it's important to recognize and address potential customer hesitations with clear, compelling arguments that highlight the benefits. This approach helps minimize resistance and maximizes the likelihood of successful conversions, reinforcing the relationship rather than diminishing it. In conclusion, embracing a lifestyle of financial freedom involves more than just making sales. It requires a strategy built on the foundation of full engagement and the strategic development of goodwill. The upcoming videos will delve deeper into these techniques, uncovering more ways to achieve success and the unexpected benefits that come along the way. Stay tuned to discover how applying these principles can transform your approach to business and sales, leading to lasting success and fulfillment.